So take your template and cut it out. So do all your cutting first. We're going to be doing some scoring a bit later, but if you've cut out the shape first, you'll find it all easier. Don't forget to cut out this little circle at the top because that's where your string is going to come out. You can use scissors for this bit if you find it easier. So now you need to score some lines. So don't cut through, you want to press hard enough that you just make a dent in the paper so that the flaps will fold over easily. If you look on the instruction sheet, the diagram on there has got some red dotted lines on it, and those are the score lines. I didn't put them on the printable version because it would have spoilt the look of it. Now take your double-sided tape and put some on all of the tabs, all the numbered tabs. You can use glue here, but I think that the double-sided tape is easier if you've got it. So don't take the top layer of your tape off just yet. You want to stick your string in place before you start folding. And that's going to come out of that little semicircle that we cut in the top. So I'm just taping it in nice and securely. Make sure it's the length you want. So before you take your tape off, just make sure that all your scored lines fold easily. Now we can start sticking it all together. So start on tab 1 and peel off your double-sided tape and then carefully line it up. Stick it and then give it a bit of a press from the other side to make sure it's secure. And then move on to number 2 and then work your way round until you get to the last 2 tabs. So when you come to these last 2 tabs, they kind of need to be done at the same time. So make sure that your string is in position and then peel off both bits of tape. And then you have to, it's a little bit fiddly, but you have to kind of maneuver them together at the same time. You might need to do a little bit of squashing to kind of get that last bit sealed. I made a bit of a dent, but it just pops out like that. And there you are, bauble ready to hang on your tree. Merry Christmas!